Your power tool uses a variable speed switch. The switch turns the tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed. Over time, the switch can fail. It may no longer turn the tool on, might work intermittently, or might only run at one speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing. Now I can install the new switch. I'll remove the wires from the old switch one at a time so I keep track of where everything goes. I'll start with the black wire on top. Then the pink wire. The white motor wire on the bottom of the switch is secured with what's called a trapdoor fastener. To remove it, I'll insert a pin next to the wire. Then I can pull the wire out and insert it into the new switch. Now remove the cord wires. They're secured with very small Allen screws. And I'll install them into the new switch. Last, I'll remove the black wire from the old switch that goes to the brush holder. And install it to the new switch. Now place the motor housing and switch assembly back into the lower half of the handle housing. I'll make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way so nothing gets pinched when we reinstall the other half of the housing. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.